The intent of the expanded airstrikes is to degrade ISIL's capability and their ability to threaten U.S. interests and the interest of our partners. And so we are having the desired effects, but this will take some time. And the things that we're doing right now in Syria are being done primarily to shape the conditions in Iraq. And once the Iraqis are able to get a better handle on a situation inside of their country and regain control of their border, that will help to localize the problems a bit more. What's going on in the Kobani area is that, in my assessment, the enemy has made a decision to make Kobani his main effort. And what you've seen him do in the last several days is continue to pour manpower into that effort. Now, my goal is to defeat and ultimately destroy ISIL. And if he continues to present us with major targets, as he has done in the Kobani area, then clearly we'll service those targets.